The new age of financial management. In recent years, the landscape of personal finance has undergone a dramatic transformation. With the advent of technology, traditional methods of managing money are being replaced by more efficient, automated solutions. Among these innovations, robo-advisors have emerged as a game changer. Today, we'll explore how robo-advisors are revolutionizing personal finance and why you should consider using one to manage your investments. What are robo-advisors? Robo-advisors are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. They collect information from clients about their financial situation and future goals through an online survey, then use this data to offer advice and slash or automatically invest client assets. The evolution of financial advice. Traditionally, financial advice was accessible only to the wealthy, requiring substantial fees and minimum investment amounts. Financial advisors manually create personalized plans, often leading to high costs. With the rise of the internet and advancements in artificial intelligence, robo-advisors democratized access to financial advice, making it available to a broader audience at a fraction of the cost. How do robo-advisors work? Robo-advisors leverage advanced algorithms and AI to analyze an individual's financial data. They consider factors such as age, income, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Based on this information, they create a diversified investment portfolio, typically consisting of low-cost exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds. The entire process is automated, ensuring a seamless and efficient user experience. The benefits of using robo-advisors. Cost-effective, robo-advisors charge significantly lower fees compared to traditional financial advisors. This makes them an attractive option for investors with smaller portfolios. Accessibility. With no minimum investment requirements, robo-advisors are accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial status. Efficiency. The use of algorithms allows for quick and accurate analysis of financial data, ensuring that investment decisions are made swiftly. Transparency. Robo-advisors provide clear, straightforward information about fees, performance, and portfolio composition, allowing investors to make informed decisions. Customization. Despite being automated, robo-advisors offer personalized investment strategies based on individual financial goals and risk tolerance. The role of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in the functioning of robo-advisors. Machine learning algorithms continuously analyze market trends and financial data to optimize investment strategies. This continuous learning process allows robo-advisors to adapt to changing market conditions and improve their performance over time. Popular robo-advisors in the market. Several robo-advisors have gained popularity due to their innovative approaches and user-friendly interfaces. Let's take a look at some of the leading platforms. Betterment. Known for its low fees and goal-based investing, Betterment offers personalized advice and a range of features to help investors reach their financial goals. Wealthfront. Wealthfront provides comprehensive financial planning tools and automated investment management, making it a favorite among tech-savvy investors. Acorns. Acorns rounds up everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change, making it an excellent choice for beginner investors looking to build wealth effortlessly. Robinhood. While primarily known as a stock trading app, Robinhood also offers robo-advisory services with zero commission fees, attracting a large user base. The impact on traditional financial advisors. The rise of robo-advisors has undoubtedly disrupted the traditional financial advisory industry. However, it's important to note that human advisors still play a vital role, particularly for clients with complex financial needs. Many traditional advisors are now incorporating robo-advisory services into their offerings, creating a hybrid model that combines the benefits of automation with personalized human advice. Security and regulation. One of the main concerns for potential robo-advisor users is security. Robo-advisors use advanced encryption technologies to protect user data and ensure secure transactions. Additionally, they are regulated by financial authorities such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC in the United States, providing an extra layer of protection for investors. Challenges and limitations. While robo-advisors offer numerous benefits, they are not without their challenges. Some of the limitations include limited human interaction. Investors who prefer face-to-face interaction may find robo-advisors impersonal. Algorithm limitations. While algorithms are powerful, they are not infallible and may not always account for unique personal circumstances. Market volatility. Robo-advisors rely on historical data to make predictions, which may not always accurately reflect future market conditions. Who should use robo-advisors? Robo-advisors are ideal for individuals who are comfortable with technology and prefer a hands-off approach to investing. They are particularly beneficial for beginner investors, those who are new to investing and seeking an easy way to get started. Busy professionals, individuals who lack the time to manage their investments actively. Cost-conscious investors, those looking for low-cost investment management solutions. Case studies, success stories. John's journey to financial independence. John, a 30-year-old engineer, started using a robo-advisor 3 years ago. With consistent contributions and automated portfolio rebalancing, he has seen significant growth in his investments, bringing him closer to his goal of early retirement. Sarah's smart savings. Sarah, a recent college graduate, used a robo-advisor to invest her savings. The low fees and user-friendly interface helped her build a diversified portfolio, ensuring her money worked as hard as she did. The future of robo-advisors. The future of robo-advisors looks promising, with continued advancements in AI and machine learning poised to enhance their capabilities further. We can expect more sophisticated algorithms, better personalization, and an increased integration with other financial services. Conclusion: embracing the future of finance. The rise of robo-advisors marks a significant milestone in the evolution of personal finance. By offering cost-effective, accessible, and efficient investment management, they have empowered a new generation of investors. Whether you're a novice looking to dip your toes into investing or a seasoned investor seeking a hassle-free way to manage your portfolio, robo-advisors provide a valuable tool to help you achieve your financial goals. Embrace the future of finance and consider adding a robo-advisor to your financial toolkit today.